Hello, in this tutorial, you will be learning how to log in to Escondido Union High School District's Canvas Classroom using your web browser. In order to access Canvas, you must go to the following URL or website using the web browser of your choice. Each student has a unique username composed of the first 3 letters of their first name, the first 5 letters of their last name, and the last 3 digits of their student ID number. Please use the following example for reference. The unique username is followed by the @ euhsd.org. The password for your student Canvas account is your student ID number. Once again, you will need to go to your web browser of choice and type in euhsd.instructure.com. This will then take you to a Microsoft login page. Type your username, first 3 letters of your first name, first 5 letters of your last name, and the last 3 digits of your student ID number, followed by @euhsd.org. Once you've typed in your username, click on the Next button. This will then take you to a second login page. Your username will already appear in the username section. All you will need to add is your password in the password section. Again, your password is your 7-digit student ID number. Next, choose if you would like to stay logged in. You are now logged in to your Canvas student account. All current courses will appear in your Canvas dashboard.